All right, taking you through the Gurgaon accident. The victim, Akshat Garg's mother, weeping, pleading for justice. Akshat's mother breaking down, asking for justice. The man, the culprit, Kuldeep Thakur, to be taken into custody and punished for what he did. Mother questioning how Kuldeep got bail so quickly. Inconsolable mother pleading with folded hands, asking for justice. In fact, we know that the accused here, Kuldeep, was driving on the wrong side of the road at 5:45 a.m. He was let off on bail so quickly. Still no clarity whether the cops carried out an alcohol test on him or not. Many loopholes in the investigation, with the mother saying that she wants justice, begging and pleading for one. Listening.
आप लोग की क्या बेसिक मांगे हैं अभी देख करके कि पुलिस ने आरोपी को बेल दे दी?
मेरी यही मांग है कि मेरे बच्चे को इंसाफ मिले और मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। एक गलत इंसान ने एक मेरे बच्चे को मार दिया, बस मुझे इससे कुछ नहीं है। क्यों उसको छोड़ा गया, मेरे को यही है कि क्यों छोड़ा गया, उसको क्यों छोड़ा गया कि भाई मेरा बच्चा चला गया, लेकिन वो आराम से सोया है उस रात, वो आराम से सोया। क्यों पुलिस ने उसको छोड़ा? बस मुझे यही बोलना है कि भाई मेरा बच्चा जो हमारा परिवार चला, हमें हमारे बीमार माँ बाप की सेवा करता, छोटी बहन को पालता, हमारे पालने वाला हमारा बच्चा चला गया और पुलिस क्यों नहीं हेल्प कर रही है हमारी, क्यों नहीं हेल्प कर रही? और मुझे कुछ नहीं और कहना, मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना।
Very, very tragic to hear the mother of Akshat Garg, who died due to an accident that happened on Gurgaon Golf Course Road. In fact, right on the highway, the biker was on his way to meet his bikers club very close by from where he was when a car was driving from the opposite direction. Kuldeep Thakur, the accused here, was let out on bail despite driving from the opposite direction. Still no clarity whether he was drunk or not. More details with Shreya Chatterjee, who's been very closely tracking this story right from the start. Shreya, very disappointed with Gurgaon police for letting this man off with such weak bailable sections. And there's still no clarity whether Kuldeep Thakur was drunk or not. And now it's been days. Kuldeep is still free and out. The mother pleading for justice.
Well, Nabila, the police is suggesting that they had done a test on the accused, but the reports of the same are yet awaited. The mother is suggesting, and they've spoken to us saying that the police is saying that these were bailable sections and anyone can get a bail. What the mother is saying, that someone was driving on the wrong side that resulted to the death of her son, and how can the law of the land allow someone to get a bail immediately? Remember, Akshat's friend Pradyuman, who also spoke with us, told that he got bail almost immediately despite it being a Sunday and the next Monday was a holiday. We've also got details that this man, the accused Kuldeep Thakur, is a repeat offender. He has jumped, he's actually driven on the wrong direction. There are challans against him as well that are already pending. So clearly, unless and until the law of the land acts up in a manner that these people are booked with the strictest possible punishment, such incidents will continue to happen. Wrong side driving is one of the biggest menace that leads to accidents. In Delhi alone, 1,500 people die a year because of wrong side driving. So these are the statistics. Clearly, the need of the hour is to address the law that can book such people in much stringent condition. Akshat wouldn't have died if that SUV was not coming in the wrong direction, that too on the rightmost track, which is supposed to be the fastest driving lane on that arterial road.
Thanks very much, Shreya. In fact, I'm going to play to our viewers exactly what the deceased, Akshat Garg's mother, has said. She's, of course, shocked with the system so easily letting off the accused here, who was driving clearly on the wrong side of the road. Let me take you through what she said.
आप लोग की क्या बेसिक मांगे हैं अभी देख करके कि पुलिस ने आरोपी को बेल दे दी?
मेरी यही मांग है कि मेरे बच्चे को इंसाफ मिले और मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। एक गलत इंसान ने एक मेरे बच्चे को मार दिया, बस मुझे इससे कुछ नहीं है। क्यों उसको छोड़ा गया, मेरे को यही है कि क्यों छोड़ा गया, उसको क्यों छोड़ा गया कि भाई मेरा बच्चा चला गया, लेकिन वो आराम से सोया है उस रात, वो आराम से सोया। क्यों पुलिस ने उसको छोड़ा? बस मुझे यही बोलना है कि भाई मेरा बच्चा जो हमारा परिवार चला, हमारे बीमार माँ बाप की सेवा करता, छोटी बहन को पालता, हमारे पालने वाला हमारा बच्चा चला गया। और पुलिस क्यों नहीं हेल्प कर रही है हमारी, क्यों नहीं हेल्प कर रही? और मुझे कुछ नहीं और कहना, मुझे कुछ नहीं कहना।
Deadly crash that was caught on the GoPro camera of the deceased friend. In fact, this visual here shows very clearly how the young biker was killed after his motorcycle, while he was turning right at a blind spot, it appears, crashes into an SUV that was driving towards him from the wrong side of the road. In fact, the SUV bore a BJP sticker on its bonnet. The driver of that car was later arrested and quickly released on bail. Video of this incident, which occurred on September 15th, was captured on a GoPro camera that was worn on the victim's friend Pradyuman's helmet. That clearly showed the collision. We hear Pradyuman claims that he offered this footage as evidence to the police, and the police also did not want to accept that footage immediately. Only a few days later, when the accused Kuldeep Thakur got bail, was when the cops approached Pradyuman and asked for that footage, possibly after media intervention. Despite that clear footage there, we see that there was a bid to drag their feet on this case. In fact, Akshat's mother, Rekha Garg, also expressing frustration, questioning how the accused Kuldeep Thakur was so quickly and easily released on bail. We heard her speak. The accused Kuldeep has a history of driving violations. He seems to be a repeat offender, driving on the wrong side, parking on the wrong side. He has pending challans, and that's what you see on our screens there. India Today accessing that, the fines that he's been slapped with, and yet for him to pay up. These challans still exist while this accident has happened. Let me take you through reactions on this.
लेन में एक कार रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन से आ रही थी, which was also 70-80 के स्पीड के बीच की वो कार होगी। हम और अक्षत भी सेम स्पीड में थे। मैं अपनी बाइक पे अक्षत के जस्ट पीछे ड्राइव कर रहा था when this happened, and अक्षत जो थे इम्पैक्ट टक्कर जैसे ही हुई उनकी कार के साथ, उसी मूवमेंट पे there was अक्षत से कोई पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया था। टोटल एक्सीडेंट से लेकर एम्बुलेंस के आने एंड अक्षत को एम्बुलेंस में बिठाने में लगे।
ये पूरे इंसिडेंट में जब आप पुलिस के पास एफआईआर लिखने पहुंचे तो आपका जो वीडियो आपने रिकॉर्ड किया था, पुलिस ने वो वीडियो आपसे लिया था?
हाँ जी मैम, मैंने उनको ये वीडियो दिखाया था। मैंने उनको ये भी बताया था कि मेरे कैमरा में इस इंसिडेंट का वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हुआ है। उन्होंने वीडियो देखा, लेकिन उसके बाद वीडियो उन्होंने मुझसे कल कॉल करके शेयर करने बोला था।
ये वीडियो एक एविडेंस है, उसके बावजूद भी उनकी अरेस्टिंग और बेल के बीच में ये वीडियो आपसे नहीं लिया गया था?
हाँ जी मैम, एंड ये आप समझिए संडे के दिन, जहाँ पे मंडे को भी पब्लिक हॉलीडे ईद का था, आप सेम डे पे एक एक्सीडेंट के केस में उनको बेल मिल गई कुछ ही घंटों में, जिसमें विक्टिम इज डेड एंड यस, ये कार जो थी रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन में आ रही थी, तो इसको फोर्स ही करा जा रहा था एज अ रैश ड्राइविंग और इररिस्पॉन्सिबल ड्राइविंग का केस पुलिस की तरफ से, एंड उसी हिसाब से इसको पोर्ट्रे करके उनको बेल दिया है, जो भी सेक्शन के अंडर लीगली दी जाती है।
सर, कुछ इनिशियली शुरुआत में पता चल पाया कि क्या इसने शराब भी पी हुई थी ड्राइवर ने?
शराब का तो इनका ब्लड सैंपल लिए गए हैं, वो जो एफएसएल से रिपोर्ट आएगी उसके बाद में कुछ बता पाएंगे। लेकिन अभी तक जो इनकी एमएलसी का भी मेडिकल करवाया था, तो उसके अंदर कहीं पर भी